Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn some of the list styles and how to apply CSS rule for the list. CSS property, list style type can change the marker of an ordered list. We know that we can create ordered list using the OL tag, and the OL tag may have multiple list items. So the list items are denoted by li, right? So here if you see the 02 here is the marker and sample list item is the value. Since the list style type is an inherited property, we can set this style to the parent OL tag. So that's what ordered list is, right? Ordered list is denoted by OL and it may have multiple list item. Once we apply the list style type to OL, the style rule will be applied to all of the children of this OL element. The following values are accepted for list style type. They are decimal, so that's what you are seeing here. This is what called marker, right? So marker is decimal here, decimal with leading 0, lower alpha, lower Roman, upper Roman. Likewise, there are many styles. So here we just listed 5 style value. You can explore further by referring the documentation, or using the intelligence you can try with a different value. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Now we have the file ready, list style ordered list, and that is opened here. Now once I save, you can see the list with 6 items. Since it's a ordered list, in the marker side you are seeing a numbered list. Now let's apply a font style. So the font style is sans serif, that's the font family, and we are increasing the size of the font to 22 pixels. So OL is already there, and the class name is font, so we have to add that class. So that's all. Now we will save, and you can see the list item will grow bigger because of the font and its size. Now we will try changing the marker size, the markers. OL.number style, and we will have one more class. So there is one class called font, and this one is number style. We are initially going with the decimal, so that's what you are seeing at this moment. Now decimal with the leading 0, and if you see, once I save, you can see a 0 will be prefixed with the existing numbers. So that's what decimal with the leading 0, right? You can see the change now. Now let's change this style to lower alpha. So these are all the frequently used styles. So here we are using lower alpha, and you can see the letters ABC. Alright, so that's one way. And instead of lower, we can also use higher alpha. So upper alpha. So now the same ABC will be given in uppercase letters. So that's one style. We can also use Roman letter, upper Roman and lower Roman. So that's a upper Roman style, and if you use lower Roman, the same stuff will appear in a lower case. Right, that's a lower Roman style. So here we just changed the bullet style using the list style type. So that's the CSS property. Using that, we just changed the bullet style of an ordered list. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.